Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I'm going to do a quick kit up of this wonderful 20 by 20 that a wonderful viewer has chosen. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, hope you enjoy the show. Oh, and if you can like, comment, and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. So I had asked a question on my TEMU haul unboxing video of 4 canvases I've shown that I've been wanting to work on smaller ones since I've been working on larger canvases, and a couple of y'all wonderful viewers, thank you so much, voted on which of the 4 I showed y'all would want me to work on first. And the first one that was selected was the wonderful, beautiful hummingbird with the red flowers. So this is the first one I'm going to kit up and work on. And 20 by 20s, I'm really quick on them. So I'm real excited to work on that canvas. And I have everything ready to go. These smaller canvases do not take a lot to kit up. And usually I don't use so many supplies like I usually do with my premium paintings, because those canvases are larger, so they have a lot more diamonds. Usually my budget friendlies, even my larger ones, do not have that many diamonds. And apologies, I forgot to get the marker. I'll put them in the box and I'll forget what number it is. So, and with budget friendlies, I just keep it real simple. I base it off of the number it is on the legend. And the diamonds for these canvases always are just numbered, just the way they are in the legend of the painting. And as soon as I saw this one was chosen, I was just so excited to quickly kit it up. So I'm actually kind of recording this video really quickly. And I find these smaller canvases a lot easier to work on in different rooms in my home, because the way I do it, I don't have another table. I used to in my previous place, but in this new location I live at, I do not really have a separate table other than this main table I use for recording and painting and all of that. So for the smaller canvases, I actually use a clipboard. I'm not kidding. I have just a standard clipboard, and I just put the painting on there, and then voila, I just start painting on it. And I've been doing that for a long time for my smaller canvases, especially, since I started diamond painting. I've always done that. And especially when I take my paintings, anytime I have to go out of town, I'll take a painting with me. It's on a clipboard. To me, it works really easily, whenever I'm in the car, and you know how you're moving around and all of that. And I'm usually the passenger. So I'll paint while I have the painting, whichever one I'm working on a clipboard. And it's always a smaller canvas. I've never painted a large one, you know, while going through traffic and all of that. I've never done that. So that's why I really love these little ones. And that's my trick for it. I don't use a light pad. For my smaller ones, I don't, because they're real easy to see, and usually the drill field is really clear. So that's why I'm going to have issues whenever I just decide put it on the clipboard. I used to have a smaller light board, but it broke. The little connection to the power, I guess, fried on me. And it didn't want to have power anymore. You know what? I'm going to kick on ahead, because the majority of these colors are just one packet. So I'm going to number quickly ahead. And my handwriting isn't the best, so sorry about that if it doesn't look that clear. And so, yeah, so love using a clipboard. If I can maybe down the line purchase a small light pad, maybe. But since I don't have any issues with the clipboard, so that's why I just use that. You know, if it ain't, what's that saying? If it ain't broke, don't fix it. So, and the clipboard I use is not an older design, apologies. The wooden ones, it's a hardcore kind of plastic one. So that's why I use that one. And apologies if you hear my cats meowing. Or cat, apologies. I don't allow them in my craft room. I think I might have said it before in one of my other whipping chats. Because I have yarn, a lot of yarn in here. And we all know how cats are with string and all of that. So that's why I'm real careful not to allow them in. So apologies if you hear the meowing. I'll try to edit it out. But if not, if you hear a slight meow, yeah, it's my cat. Demanding entrance. And yeah, sorry, kitty cat, not in this room. So, and I was thinking maybe I should do a chat, but I am kind of kitting this up really quickly. So I am not even too sure what to chat about. Other than, I do want to thank the viewer that voted for this canvas, because I was so excited when I first was unboxing it, and I was just loving the colors so much on this canvas. So that's why I thank you for choosing this one. And another viewer chose a different canvas. That one I'm actually going to work on next after I complete this one. Since they're all, the ones I showed in that video are smaller, it won't take me long to complete them, because they're smaller. The other one that chosen was, I believe, was a 20 by 30. But it's 20 by 30. It's not that much of a difference size-wise. To myself, anyway. It's not like a 50 by 50. I do have some budget-friendly canvases that big, but I put them aside. I don't really use them. I'm sorry, I don't usually paint those. I try to paint smaller ones, so majority of my premiums are the bigger ones. So that's why I prefer that. And we just have 3 more colors. See how quickly and easy. And I love these diamonds because they don't have static. That's why I'm a big fan of them. So let me, I see one straggler in one of the other bags. I'll pull it out after I'm done kitting up. Whoop, I poured that way too quickly. And yeah, let me get that in the box. There we go. As you can see, it's super easy, super quick. If you've never done budget-friendly canvas, and even if it's a larger one, for kitting it up is real quick. So that's why I prefer kitting these up, just as, you know, side video, just real quick. And I'm just on the last color, mostly because I'm going to go eat dinner. So that's another reason why I'm kind of rushing a bit. And we all love dinner, so that's why I'm making sure I can get this all complete. And I'll actually start working on it. I do love to paint while I'm eating. In other places, I don't usually eat in my craft room. And voila! That was really quick. Easy peasy. Really nice. Woo! I cannot wait to start this canvas. And that's it. Honestly, that's it. As I said, it's a really quick get up. And yeah, so stay tuned. I'll show status on that painting, but as I said, since it's small, I'll probably finish it up quickly, so stay tuned for that. Don't worry, I'll keep you all involved. And again, if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, all I ask is if you can do the usual. If you can like, comment, and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. Really helps put the channel out there, and it really allows me the opportunity to show all of these wonderful diamond paintings we love to do, no matter how little they are. And again, thank you for your time, and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.